Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore deleted videos on TikTok. If you deleted your video on TikTok, you can always restore it back as long as it does not exceed 30 days. To bring back your video, here's how to do it. Go to TikTok, click on the three dots and go to settings and privacy. You have to click on activity center and click on recently deleted. Here, you're going to see all the videos you have deleted. As you can see right here, it's remaining 28 days. After clicking on the video, click on Restore. Click on Restore to confirm. After that, your video will be back to your library. That's how you restore deleted videos on TikTok. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.